This is the pre-flight check for the EA Vision J100. The first thing that you're going to want to do is turn your drone on, let it connect to your remote, and make sure that there are no errors on the screen. Once we've made sure that there are no errors, we're going to fold out our arms and make sure that there is no up and down play in the arm, like this. If there is up and down play, we need to tighten this nut. Once we've made sure that there's no play there, then we'll go ahead and secure our arm latches and make sure that they have the appropriate amount of pressure. And this one is good. Then we'll go ahead and check our props, make sure that they have an adequate amount of pressure on them, holding them in place, that they can be easily moved, but that they are not loose. And then we're going to make sure that we have our clockwise props on our clockwise motor on our clockwise arm. After we have unfolded all of our arms and made sure that everything is tight and spinning the appropriate direction, we'll go to the front of the drone and we want to make sure and use a clean microfiber cloth and wipe down this forward-facing LiDAR and our rear-facing LiDAR. That has been the pre-flight checklist for the EA Vision J100. Make sure that we're doing this every time we operate our aircraft.